What? Really?
You didn't hear about this?
No.
I was waiting to see if you heard about this.
No, I didn't hear about this.
Yeah. Tesla is canceling the Model S and the Model X after this year.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, they must not be selling that well because they're so much more expensive than the other models.
Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, on the most recent earnings call, announced that they are not going to be selling the Model S and Model X after this year, 2026. And it is because they don't sell nearly as much as the Model 3 and the Model Y. Even though the Model 3 and Model Y are cheaper and the margins are thinner, they sell just so many more of them. And so they sell so many Model Ys that honestly, the production footprint used to sell these two vehicles is better spent making something else.
Making more Model Ys.
Yeah, but they're actually not going to be repurposing the Fremont facility for that. Instead, they're repurposing that same floor space to make Optimus robots, which is kind of crazy to me.
They're humanoid robots?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. How much are they going to cost? What are people actually going to use them for? I'll believe when I see it. This is crazy. I didn't know that he said that.
Yeah.
So we'll see if it's actually true. I don't know if it's actually going to happen.
Yeah. That says a lot that they're actually, if they do stop selling these two vehicles, which, let's be fair, the Model S is what put Tesla on the map. The Model S does not get enough credit, I think, for how much it changed the auto industry.
It still looks good.
It looks good, but that car single-handedly made electric cars fast, made electric cars luxurious, and most importantly, it made electric cars cool. Prior to this, electric cars were like some weird obscure thing your engineer uncle had or something. It was not a mainstream thing. This the Model S made electric cars something people would aspire to get, which was unthinkable 30 years ago. Like, no one would aspire to get an electric car.
Or even 20 years ago.
Yeah. Model S came out in 2012 and has seen some year-over-year updates, but in two like somewhat major refreshes, but still basically the same platform. If they wanted to keep selling these two vehicles, they would need to do a pretty big overhaul and include a lot of the technological R&D they've done on their newer vehicles.
The 3 and the Y, yeah.
And the Cybertruck, the 48-volt architecture and all that. They'd have to refresh these things from the ground up, which is going to be quite the expensive. And frankly, there's just more options out there if someone wants a luxury electric vehicle. So
yeah, luxury sedan, the Lucid's there.
It's not just Tesla anymore.
Yeah.
So if Tesla wants to continue competing, they're going to have to invest a ton of money into refreshing this. And instead of doing that, they're just canceling it and they're building robots instead.
Yeah, well, I have no idea what to make of that.
I fear that getting rid of these two vehicles is going to cheapen the Tesla brand. Tesla's going to become, I want a cheap electric car brand, not...
I think that's completely correct.
Not, I want a luxury car. Because they can still make cheap electric cars, but at least having these in their inventory, something people can look at and see and experience and know that they exist and know that Tesla knows how to make...
They're getting rid of their Halo cars.
Exactly.
And that's been a mistake many times before that other automakers have done.
Maybe that's why they're continuing with the Roadster.
To still have a Halo car.
Mm-hmm.